So this weekend, there's going to be a snowstorm, a significant one. I'm in Colorado right now, and we're going to see a lot. We're going to see 1 to 2 feet here. I'm in the tier 1. We're going to see 1 to 2 feet of snow. Isn't that crazy, guys? 1 to 2 feet. And the National Weather Service has issued the winter storm watch for this weekend. See? Whole area winter storm watch. And you can see here 20 to 36 inches. And yeah, it's gonna be great. The snow will be like, it will be like this is 12 inches. It'll be like up to here. It'll be like up to here by Sunday. The snow will be up to this level of the window. Pretty crazy, guys. You can tell outside right now. Some leftover snow. Nothing crazy, but this whole view will be obstructed by snow in the next couple days. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. At home, it's like 70 degrees here right now. It's very cold. It's right now the temperature. You want to see the temperature right now, guys? The temperature right now is very cold. Go to Breckenridge. It's gonna be 19 degrees tonight, and then snow. It's quite a lot. And then at home, it's really warm. This is home temperatures at home. So yeah, guys, it's gonna be crazy. This is the weather model. You can see just how much we're gonna get. Yeah, it's pretty crazy.